Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Reddit. It is time for an update, and on the long time frame we have been tracking two main scenarios. And firstly is the yellow scenario, in which we are focusing on the idea that okay, we have a 5-wave move that is developing, and actually that could have even already topped here in this area. And in this case, yeah, we would have a wave 1 top, but it is not certain. That is why I am adding a question mark, because yeah, even in the yellow scenario we could still extend higher. But in the eventuality that it did top, I will provide a quick idea of where we would be looking for support for a wave 2 correction, and it would be in the area between the $130.8 down to the $57.7 level. Now, as I was saying, it is not clear, and for now I will not really track this support zone. I would rather track still continuation to the upside. And then in this case we have the white scenario that could allow a much more bullish interpretation of this chart, where this was a wave 1 up, we have here a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 set up here, and then we would probably be looking for an additional 1-2 setup to form in this area. Now, since the previous video we did actually push out and form a reliable additional top, so we no longer need to be looking for the support zone for this idea of a wave 2. So yeah, we can then remove this. But in this area we could be developing really a larger additional wave 1 that would be here represented in white. But I'm not excluding also the possibility that this really could be a series of here of 1-2 1-2 1-2 3, so a series of let's see, 3-1-2 setups, and then this is a third wave up, and then we could have a series of 4-5 4-5 4-5 to complete this overall pattern. Who knows, maybe even turning it into an actual wave 3. Now in this idea we would be looking for support in the area here between, let's see, the $238.7 down to the $197 level. Now I actually think adding an additional count for this might not be a bad idea, so we should use the blue interpretation for this idea of direct continuation in a 5th wave, and really leave this interpretation maybe for an orange count, where yeah, we are tracking just another larger 5th wave after a more deep correction within the wave 4. And in this idea where we would be tracking a diagonal structure to the upside, I would be looking for a correction still in a wave 4, but in this case it would be much deeper. That would be between the, let's see, $218 down to the $144 level. Now at the moment I would focus still on the blue scenario, so entry in this area is pretty likely to at least result in a reaction here, even if we turn out to be really in something more like the orange scenario, where we need really a deeper retracement before we can resume the uptrend in another ABC pattern probably. And yeah, then we would have another wave 1 up, and we could be looking for an additional 1-2 setup before, yeah, who knows, we finally manage to start an overall much larger and stronger third wave to the upside. And for now, really, it is a bit unfortunate that we have so many possibilities of this way, of the way this could work out. For now, I would really leave the the yellow scenario in the back of my mind, and I'm even considering removing the overall count from the chart, maybe just leaving here this idea of a wave 1 top. But realistically, here in the very short time frame, there is really no guarantee that we even topped in this movement. We could still see here continuation to the upside, although I might add we are starting to see a breakdown where yeah, we are struggling to push higher and the retracements are getting deeper. Quite normal in a diagonal pattern, but keep in mind, once we complete this movement to the upside, since overall, yeah, this entire structure looks a lot more like a diagonal, there is a pretty high chance that we will see a pretty sharp decline. Now, that wouldn't be the case in the blue scenario, because this would be a third wave and it would need to be an impulse, which is actually a good reason to not necessarily look at the blue scenario as the most favorable, but instead, yeah, the orange scenario for a more probable entry. But again, if you really don't want to miss out, there is a chance for direct continuation even from the blue scenario once this actual third wave, let me get closer here. So once this actual third wave is complete, there is a good chance to find support here in the blue scenario and still find continuation to the upside, even though the orange scenario is safer and more probable, let's say, to work out. And for now, there really isn't much else to add. These are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.